So let's proceed now. So the figure shows a load Q per unit area acting on a strip of infinite length, no? So this is the infinite length. Wala ta kabalo kung pilay length ani. Say, no? Strip footing. And of constant with B, no? The vertical stress at any arbitrary point P due to a line load of Q dx acting at uh, can be written as the change, no? Vertical stress can be written as this formula. So, applying the principle of superposition, the total stress, sigma sub z at point P, no? In here, due to a strip load distributed over a width B, that is equal to 2B, may be written as this. The non-dimensional values can be expressed in a more convenient form. Complicated kasi, no? Anyway, this is a nine-dimensional values of the sigma sub z over q for strip load. So this is z over b. I think this is z over b versus q sub z over q times 10. So, mo na siya ang imuhang the value of the q sub z. Yes, q sub z over q. Alright. We have here an example now. A 3 parallel strip footings 3 meters wide each and 5 meters apart, center to center. So as you can see here, you have 3 meters wide and 5 meters apart, center to center. Transmit contact pressures of 200, 150, and 100 kilonewton per square meter respectively. Calculate the vertical stress due to the combined loads beneath the centers of each footing at a depth of 3 meters below the base. Assume the footing are placed at the depth of 2 meters below the ground surface. So, use Boussinesq method for line loads. So, this is the line loads, but still we'll be using the Boussinesq equation or method, no? So this is the strip, no? So nag-transmit ang first is 200 kilonewton per square kani siya, per square meter. So yung footing, then the other one is 150 per square meter, kilonewton per square meter, and last one is 100 kilonewton per square meter. We are to calculate the vertical stress due to combined loads beneath the centers, now beneath the centers of each footing 3 meters below the base. Alright, so for the solution, using the for this one, the formula is Q over Z. This, no? Kanisha. Vertical stress at point P may be written as this one, no? For line loads. And your I sub Z is 0.637. So using this formula, the stress at A, combined loads man siya, no? So, mo nang 2 times 200, this is 200, the katong pressure, ganina, nga 200 kilonewton per square meter sa first footing. Then, using this formula, no? This is the 2 over pi z. Muna 3.14 times 3 meters. 3 meter below the base. Times the quantity 1 over plus 1 plus 0. Why 0? Because first one is at the center over 3. No? Which is the z squared. Plus the effect of the second footing, no? Combine man ang gipangutana. Ang gipangutana diri is calculate the vertical stress due to combined loads beneath the centers of each footing, no? So for the next footing, 2 times 150, 150 this is kilonewton per square meter, no? Over pi times z. Nay pi diri because kani siya 2 over pi man ni siya. So bali butang na siya diri sa denominator mo ng pi 3.14 times 3 the depth times 1 over 1 plus 5 because second footing naman ka, the effect of second footing on the first footing. This one. This is the z na. Hindi na may siya kuan. Nara. This is the z, no? Which is equal to, from here to here is equal to 5. The effect of this footing to the first footing, no? Combine man ang gipangutana. Plus the effect of the third footing to the first footing man ang 2 times 100, no? This is in kilonewton per square meter as given the problem over the pi times the z times the quantity 1 over, using this formula, 1 plus 10. This is z over the depth. I mean, x, no? That is the x rather. This is x, which is from the first footing to the third footing, distance is 10. No? Because we are to determine the vertical stress due to the combined loads mo nang nakabutang diri is 10 over z. No? Ni x. From first footing to this one is the effect of second footing to the first footing. Kani siya, kaning 10, this is the effect of third footing to the first footing. Unang 10 diri. Then, this is at the stress at A. Well, the stress at B, ma-change na pud ka. 5 na pud ka diri. Pag abot sa ikaduha nga term, 0 na din ka diri. Then, pag abot sa ikatulo, 5 na pud ka because ang gibasihan nimo diri is the second footing imong gibasihan. Stress at B. Second footing or at B. Katong nasa tunga. No? Because the x is the distance, no? The distance of the ano ito yung nakabutang dali? It is like a radial distance, no? Tx is radial distance. Then at C, the same concept, nahimong 10 na pud ka dire, 10, then 5, then 0. Para dili ko maglibog. Yes, 2 times over 3 pi. 0 to the power and power is 1. Okay, then the answer is this one. So we're done with we'll not discuss this one, no? Kani siya, dili na to i-prior discuss. Dito na ta sa strip loads, no? So we're done with this. Kindly study for this topic.